Hello and welcome to our channel. This time we're going to be doing a tutorial how you can use Skype and OBS together. So we're going to get started right away, but remember to subscribe to our channel and let your friends know about it. All right, so the first thing you want to do is come over here to Google and you want to search for NDI new version. This is a plugin that OBS uses, and then you want to click on this and it's gonna link you into OBS website. You want to come into download so you can download. Now this is it. Before you download it, first you want to click this right here and it's gonna extend you a menu, and you want to scroll down and you want to find this item first where it says runtime NDI. Download that. It's gonna show right here. Once you download it, run it. Okay, once it's installed in your computer, then you want to come back over here. And now you can download and run OBS NDI Windows installer right here. Okay, so once it's download, run it. And once you finish installing it, you can get out of there. And here's OBS. So you want to come into tools and check to see if NDI it's already in this area. If it's not, then you want to make sure that you install it again until you see it here. All right, let's get started now. So the first thing we're gonna do over here is we're gonna make this smaller and we're gonna go get a Skype. Let's open it up. Here it is. So the first thing you want to do is click on these three dots and you want to click on settings. And after you do that, you want to click on calling and then come to advanced. And when you come to advanced, make sure that this is on, this is off, and this is on. You want to turn on NDI. Okay, that's very, very important. Now let's start a call. There it is. We're going to use this one right here and we're just going to wait for the person to answer. All right, here we have the caller. This is going to be you and this is going to be the caller. Now that we have this going, let's go back into OBS. Here we have OBS and let's go get NDI so we can get Skype in. Okay, so there it is, NDI source. Click on the first option and then you want to go into local first. Click OK. And there you're going to have your Skype camera coming in right there. And now let's set the speaker that's coming through Skype as well. Let's go look for it. And active speaker. There it is. Now you have you from Skype and then you have your speaker from Skype. Now let's say that you want to get Zoom over here as well. How do you do that? Let's minimize this and we're gonna go get Zoom. So here is Zoom. Zoom's camera is not gonna be on because it's already busy. But if you want to learn how you can have the camera in every application, I have another video that you can check out. Now let's go back into OBS and you want to do a window capture. Let's make it smaller so it will fit right next to the other ones that you already have. And if you want to have your OBS camera here, you can actually do that as well. This is how you get it done. Do a video capture and just click OK. There's going to be nothing here. So what you need to do is come and just turn the camera off for a little bit and make your feed a little smaller. Let's go into this one and let's switch back into your regular camera, resize it. And now you have your OBS, you have also your Zoom, you also have your Skype invited person, and you have yourself in here. Now, if you want to know how to use the same camera for all of them, check another video that I have. That way you can learn how to do that. So this is how you get it done. And if you want to have different scenes, you can actually do that as well. What you do is you come into here, right click on it and duplicate this scene. Now you have this scene over here. And let's say you want to get rid of this and this one as well, and you just want to leave this Skype over here. Okay, and now you can come back to the original scene and do another duplicate. And as this duplicate, let's say you want to keep your OBS camera, so you can get rid of this one, and also this one, and you can extend this as you wish. Now you have three scenes. You have the one where you have everybody here, and you have the second one where you only have Skype, and you also have the third one where you have yourself as OBS, and you can make as many as you like. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you do subscribe and tell your friends about it. All right, see you next time.